Hi everyone, welcome back to another trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day I will be looking at the euro dollar. So what I have here is the euro dollar on the daily, right? And on the daily I just want to show you guys that really the euro dollar has sort of exited its sideways movement. Okay, it's been moving on a sideways, and then after that it broke out to the downside. Now how do I know it broke out to the downside? If I were to draw a trend line connecting all the candlesticks, touching as many candlesticks as possible without cutting any of the candle bodies, right? It will be seen very easily that the trend line has been broken. Right, so we have the trend line broken and then a breakout to the downside. Now, if we were to use Fibonacci following the price movement from the last low, okay, all the way to the high, okay, and open up all Fibonacci ratios, okay, we see that the 23.6 is broken, the 38.2 is broken. The next levels that price will go to will be the 50 and the 61. Now my preference is definitely for the 61, because if we look to the left, the 61 is in line with this spike right here. So we can actually consider this as our daily take profit. Right, so I'm just going to go ahead and highlight the 61%. And very quickly, let's go down to the 4 hours. Right, we can ignore this trend line for now. Now, 4 hours, very simply, we have our take profit, our daily take profit, and the 61% retracement. Okay, 4 hours, we can take a retracement of the last move from the high to the low. Same thing, open up all Fibonacci ratios, and we see that the 23.6 is actually this small hump over here. Right, it's a small pullback. Right, it tested it on 3 candles and then it came back down. So we can actually also have, alright, 23.6, this as sort of our stop loss. Okay, so should price break above this level, so I'm just going to take the extreme, the spike, because I want to give the trade a bit of room to breathe. Should price actually break above the spike, okay, and close above, then we know that our bearish idea is wrong and we can actually play long. Alright, so this will be the stop loss. Okay, now next I also see that there's a push down before a bounce up and then another push down. I just want to double confirm. Okay, just find more confluence for my take profit, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and open all Fibonacci ratios. So we see that the 61.8 has already been broken, right? Price tested it once, twice, and the third time it broke. The 100% price just broke right through it. Okay, so the next level will definitely be the key 161.8. So we are finding a lot of strong levels here, so this daily take profit is definitely a good target to have. Alright, so like I said, we are bearish. Now for the entry, let's just quickly go down to the 1 hour. Okay, of course, graphically speaking, I do have a nice entry over here at this level here. As long as I'm below here, I think it's a good entry, especially with a good risk reward profit, right? But I can also use Fibonacci ratio from the last movement down, a high to low, right? And open up all Fibonacci ratios, but I'm thinking it's the 38%. Okay, so there you have it. The 38% is right there. Okay, so we have the 38%. Okay, as a sell entry, and we can actually use anywhere below this level as a sort of an entry and play down towards the take profit. Now if you guys really want a partial intraday take profit, I can recommend you guys to use 27.2, right? Okay, wait, hang on, it's not there. 0.272. Okay, there's the negative 27.2. So this can be your partial take profit level. Okay, sort of just playing it safe if you guys want to call it. Okay, so I'm bracket partial. Alright, and just let me zoom out a bit. Okay, so I can tidy things up for you guys to see. Again, the 61.8 is the spike here, but I'm just going to go back to the daily view. So this is exactly how we got our target, but the nicest presentation will be on the 4 hours. Okay, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. I wish you guys all the best, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you.